Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car body fillers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car body fillers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Evercoat ZGrip Lightweight Body Filler. The Evercoat ZGrip Lightweight Body Filler is a standout product for automotive professionals and serious DIYers who demand quality and efficiency. With its clog-free formula, it not only delivers exceptional performance but also extends the life of your sandpaper, saving time and money in the process. What makes ZGrip especially impressive is its use of hatonite, a proprietary additive that reduces heat and friction during sanding. This means less effort, faster smoothing, and a better finish, especially when working with 80 grit sandpaper. For busy body shops or large-scale restoration projects, this translates to real productivity gains. In terms of versatility, ZGrip adheres strongly to galvanized steel, aluminum, fiberglass, and alloy steel, making it suitable for everything from standard vehicle panels to more complex materials. Whether you're repairing a dent on a truck bed or smoothing out imperfections on a fiberglass body kit, this filler holds up reliably. Its creamy texture allows for smooth application, and the water-resistant finish adds durability against moisture, important for long-lasting results in automotive environments. Weighing in at 7 pounds and packaged in a large 128 fluid ounces container, it's well-suited for heavy-duty or repeated use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Evercoat Plastic Honey Premium Auto Body Filler. For auto body professionals and DIYers alike, smooth filler application is essential. And that's exactly where the Evercoat Plastic Honey Premium Auto Body Filler Thinner shines. This 16 fluid ounces product is designed to thin and enhance all types of polyester body fillers and glazing putties, including premium formulations. Manufactured by Evercoat, a leading name in the automotive repair industry since 1953, Plastic Honey is built on a legacy of quality and innovation. It features a stain-free, clog-free resin formula that significantly improves the spreadability of body fillers, saving both time and effort in the sanding and shaping process. Using Plastic Honey is simple. Just add a small amount to your filler before the hardener and adjust as needed for smoother consistency. This flexibility makes it a go-to for any type of filler or putty, including non-Evercoat brands. Beyond performance, its lightweight, 1.4 pounds, and compact size, 1.75 x 7 by 6.5 inches, make it easy to store and handle in any garage or workshop. It also works on a variety of surfaces and won't cause staining or bleeding under paint, key for achieving professional-level finishes. What truly sets Plastic Honey apart is its consistency, versatility, and ability to cut down on rework, making your job faster and cleaner. As part of Evercoat's lineup of advanced body repair products, it upholds the brand's reputation for quality, green technology, and innovation. At number 3, we have the 3M Lightweight Body Filler. If you're looking for a dependable solution for automotive or industrial surface repair, the 3M Lightweight Body Filler delivers consistent performance backed by 3M's trusted name in innovation. This 2-component body filler system, complete with both filler and cream hardener, is specifically designed for professionals who need superior results on a variety of surfaces. One of the standout features is its creamy formula, which provides incredibly easy mixing and spreading. Whether you're working on bare steel, aluminum, or fiberglass reinforced polyester (FRP), this filler glides smoothly onto the surface, making it ideal for repairing dents, dings, and other cosmetic imperfections. The product is also versatile enough to be used on industrial and architectural surfaces where appearance matters. What really sets the 3M lightweight body filler apart is its vacuum-processed formula, which is engineered to minimize pinholes, an essential feature that helps save time during sanding and finishing. Once applied, the filler cures tack-free in just 20 minutes, allowing professionals to move quickly through bodywork jobs without delays. Another major benefit is its resistance to loading sandpaper, which makes the sanding process faster and more efficient while reducing abrasive consumption. This is especially useful in busy shop environments where time and materials are critical to efficiency and profitability. At number 2, we have the Evercoat 112 Premium Quality Lightweight Filler. It is a premium quality and lightweight filler that contains hatonite, a unique ingredient that improves sandability to reduce friction and heat created by aggressive sanding. Also, this filler contains ZNX7TM, providing quality adhesion to galvanized aluminum and steel. Other than that, it adheres to the OEM corrosion warranty. This body filler is also a great choice for repairing sensitive metals, as the results are pretty good. It is an ideal product for heavy filling and repair of damaged panels. Since it is formulated with the finest quality resin, it is pretty same as Evercoat's polyester glazing putty. Plus, its stain-resistant formula lessens the chances of staining, and with the vacuum-processed and extra-smooth formula, you can spread it evenly and easily. When compared to other options among our car body filler review, this one seems a little expensive, but for a 3-liter can, it is still fairly priced. And finally, at number 1, we have the 3M Bondo Professional Gold Filler. 3M Bondo is professional car body filler which works wonders on galvanized e-coat surfaces, epoxy, metal, wood, aluminum, fiberglass, SMC, and masonry, etc. Its superior adhesion properties ensures it creates a long-lasting bond on galvanized steel and other metal surfaces. The fact that it features advanced resin technology also helps to make it one of the best professional car body fillers. This technology makes mixing, applying, and sanding super easy, and the process takes 5 minutes while working and 20 minutes for fast drying. Moreover, it is non-shrinking to eliminate any rework after curing or drying. Grab it and fill low spots, scratches, and dents in the vehicles before priming and painting. While it seems to dry faster than advertised, for most users this is not a shortcoming but an advantage as it helps to speed up the job. Also, it can be a little runny when using it on vertical surfaces, but a little keenness is all it takes to overcome this issue.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.